Welcome to Meditate with Lily. I'm your host, Lily Holden, and today's meditation is a quick 5-minute episode to help ease anxiety and bring you back to your day feeling more calm and confident. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down, and we're going to take a deep starting breath. So go ahead and close your eyes if you need to, and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, try to release any tension you may be holding on to. I like to start my anxiety meditations with some big, deep grounding breaths. So we're going to start by taking a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And as you're taking these breaths, feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. As you're breathing, try to let go of any thoughts or distractions and really bring your focus to the sensation of your breath. Next, we're going to do a quick body scan. So start by bringing your attention to your toes and imagine a warm, soothing light starting at your toes, slowly moving up through your feet, relaxing every muscle as it goes. Feel this warm light moving up your legs, releasing any tension along the way. Let it continue up through your torso, your arms, your shoulders, your neck, up to the top of your head. Imagine this light gently melting away any stress or anxiety. Now I'd like for you to picture yourself in a beautiful, serene garden. The sun is shining and warm, and a gentle breeze rustles the leaves of the trees. You're surrounded by vibrant flowers and the soft sound of a creek nearby. Notice the colors, the scents, and the textures around you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. This oasis is a place of peace and relaxation, your sanctuary from anxiety. Take a few more moments with this scene in mind. As you continue to imagine yourself in this calming garden, take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any anxiety or stress or tension. With each breath, let go just a little bit more. Inhale tranquility, exhale anxiety. As you continue to breathe, hold on to these affirmations. I am safe and protected. I release all anxiety and stress. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. I am at peace with myself and the world. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember that you can return to this calm oasis, this secret, anxiety-free garden, anytime you need to find peace and relief from your anxiety. Thanks for meditating with me today. Again, I'm Lily Holden, and this is Meditate with Lily.